you YouTubers. Yes, I know. I'm shocked as well. I'm outside in the sun where I'm gonna explode any minute now. I'm walking backwards for no reason because I hate when my hair gets messed up by the wind. So yeah, my hair's fucked up now, but I don't care. Yes, I do. Okay, so I was bored and I wanted to vlog. His hair gets in my face. Oh Lord, oh, how's life, everybody? I know life is pretty wonderful. I know, I know you're probably still shocked as well. I was very, very shocked when I decided to walk outside this morning. Well, actually I decided that like 5 minutes ago, so there's like cars driving by and I'm fixing my hair. They probably think I'm crazy. But you know what? I am. My goodness. Okay, anyway, I'm probably gonna end this anyway because I'm an idiot. Yeah, I know that's no, I know I have to charge this stupid iPod. Now I'm walking forwards. Darn, I'm not fun anymore. Alright, well, I'm gonna go. If you're bored, check me on Facebook, My Yearbook, Twitter, stuff like that. I'll leave the links in the crotch bar if you want to come and find me and talk to me, which nobody probably does. I'm so lonely. Anyway, this is Ashley Crazy Sun signing out for now, unless I trip and fall on my face, then I'll have to catch that. Okay, I'm going. Bye.